If you're struggling to make money online, it's probably because you're approaching it the way that I did when I first started my online income journey. In this video, I want to share how my approach changed and how that helped me go from making, a couple $100s a month online to making thousands online consistently every single month. And the thing about this approach is it is easier, it's less stressful, and you don't have to constantly chase new clients or create new offerings and products and things like that. Let's get into it. So first, let me share with you my approach in the beginning and how it was completely wrong. So I was offering a service, right? I was doing coaching for people that were trying to get in shape. I also had some other things I was offering, like meal plans, workout plans, things like that. The thing was, I was constantly chasing clients, right? I was always thinking about getting the next client. But what I was neglecting is I already had a client. I already got someone who said yes to me and chose to buy. I didn't understand and didn't even think about how can I retain this client? How can I structure my offering, whatever it is I was offering, into a way to where I have that client paying me monthly for my service or whatever it is. And here's a way to look at it. Hopefully this will help you understand it a little bit better. Look at the way that most businesses are ran, right? They get you to keep coming back, right? Or they get you to where they lock you in on a monthly charge, right? For example, Netflix. A lot of businesses, their business model is more subscription based. So they lock you in on a retainer that you pay every single month. So this is what I did with my own business. I started to think of my services and offerings and thinking not just the one-off client, but how can I retain this client long term and get them to keep paying me? And maybe you don't have a service, you can do this with a digital product as well. This is something that I did with my digital products and offerings as well. I started to think, how can I make more? How can I offer more value to that person and get them to pay me instead of thinking of, I just have to attain a new client. So I started to think of how I could upsell different services on top of whatever I was offering, which is another thing that businesses do. They'll get you in, and then they offer you other things that are similar to that offering that got you in. So what I had to do to change to this approach and method is I had to change the way that I structure my offers. And I think this is where a lot of people go wrong when it comes to making money online if they offer a service. And I've also seen it too when people offer digital products as well, because you can structure that in a way to where you can upsell, or you could have a bigger offer or main offer that you upsell on top of that, kind of low ticket offer. And I think a good place to start with this, I don't want to go too deep into it on this video, is let's say you offer something and you complete that service. You could do you could follow up with that person or client. Maybe it could be a personalized little video or something, and you could tell them, hey, based on, think about what they came to you for, and offer them something else that they may be interested in, which you should have a good idea of what they're going to be interested in based on talking to them and seeing, what they bought from you. Hey, I also offer this service, or I also offer this thing that can help you achieve blank goal, or that can do blank for your business. So this is key. It's so simple, but for me, even doing that thing of just, after completing the service, following up with that person, hey, and letting them know, essentially I'm pitching myself and letting them know what else I can do to help them with their brand, business, whatever it is. So, it's not really a lot of pressure there, because I'm just letting them know what else I have to offer based on the needs that they have or things that I think can help them. So guys, this is really a game changer. This is something that can really just scale your business and help you make more money, but it's also less stressful because you're not constantly chasing new clients. Plus, it can just help you create a more consistent and predictable monthly income. And that's the main thing that I struggle with to get to this point now. And now I'm self-employed, I work for myself. But in those beginning stages, it was, I had trouble scaling, and it was something as simple as changing my business model, right? Looking at other businesses, thinking of a strategy to retain these clients and add additional services that can actually help them, which can make me more money. So I got a little homework for you if you are serious. What I want you to do is take a look at your services and offerings and really think about how they are structured. Are they structured in a way to where you can get these people to come back and get them on a monthly type subscription or retainer, or just a way that you can add in some additional offerings that would be valuable to that person or client? And if you want to learn more about making money online, how to monetize your skills, I'm going to have some videos you may be interested in the video description. Thanks for listening. I appreciate you for being here. Take care. Peace.